Hello there and welcome to Lower 6 Maths Ale. This is the Applied Practice Paper F, and here we are comparing two box plot diagrams. So a couple wish to go on holiday sometime in July or August. They cannot decide whether to visit Perth in Australia or Beijing in China. The weather will be a deciding factor. The box plots show the daily mean temperature and daily rainfall for Perth and Beijing in July and August in 2015. Based on the box plots, state 3 observations that may help the couple decide whether to spend their holiday in Perth or Beijing. Okay, so lots of different ways you compare the diagrams here. Try not to compare the least and the greatest temperatures of each of the box plots, because that's just one recording. You want to be recording the measure of spread and the measure of location. In this case here it's the median, so the average temperature in these countries. So for example, in July and August the temperature in Beijing is likely to be much greater than that in Perth. For example, Perth will have a median of 13 degrees Celsius and the median in Beijing is likely to be 27 degrees Celsius. In respect of rainfall, there is likely to be more rain in Perth than there is going to be in Beijing for each day. Most days in Beijing have no rain, whereas there is some rain in Perth during July and August. Less rainfall in Beijing, less likely to have high rainfall in Beijing. Rainfall in Beijing is consistently less than in Perth. In Beijing there are a lot more outliers, so on some days you may get a lot of rainfall, but this is highly unlikely. So a lot of different comparisons that you can have there. It says state 3 observations, so what I'd do to get the full 5 marks here is make sure that each observation is backed up with a numerical value, either the median or the spread of data. So for example, for a spread of data comparison, you could say that Perth rainfall is much more spread out than it is in Beijing, where it is likely to be 0 millimeters. Okay, 5 marks for that question.